Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will learn how to take care of your summer vegetable garden. So care tip number 1 is adding vermicompost or any other compost to your vegetables and plants as top dressing. A handful of vermicompost can be applied to your plants or vegetables every 2 to 3 months. When it is mixed with the upper layer of soil, it is called as top dressing. It ensures the healthy and fast growth of plants, and do it carefully, do not harm the roots. And water the plants thoroughly just after the application of it. And the second care tip is spraying neem oil. Mix the 2 ml of neem oil with 1 liter of water. Spray the solution to all the plant parts until it completely wet. Neem oil does not affect the beneficial pollinators, so it is safe to use for protecting your plants from harmful insects. And third is using wood ash. Wood ash is a source of potassium, which is a macronutrient. Simply means plant use a lot of it during the growing stage. Spread thin layer of it on the vegetables to protect them from pests. You can also add wood ash to your soil to increase its nutrient content such as potassium and phosphorus. And fourth is using liquid seaweed fertilizer. Add 3 ml of liquid extract to 1 liter of water. It boosts crop yield and induces flowering. You can also spray or apply directly to the soil. Fifth and most important is doing hand weeding, which simply means to remove the unwanted plants. Weeds steal light, water, and nutrients from the vegetables, and they shelter insects or diseases. So, to avoid this, you should have to control weeds in your garden. After we're done with weeding, some harmful insects or their larvae are exposed, and these sparrows are helping us by eating them. Do hand weeding before you transplant or sow seeds. So do it regularly for good growth and yield. And the next care tip is to water the plants regularly. In summers, plants need plenty of water, so do it regularly. And the last and final tip is to harvest the veggies at proper time. Harvesting at proper time is also important to maintain good health of the plants. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and take care.